Yeah, check his channel.
All right, I'm gonna change the economizer outdoor ambient changeover. So on your manual, you'll see, you are gonna go to details, economizer, setup. We're gonna go down to economizer, set point, changeover set point. So enter, go down to details, enter, go down to economizer, enter, setup, enter, scroll down, outdoor air point, set point. So whatever temperature you set this at, this is what changes over from mechanical cooling to economizer. So here in Alberta, we usually like to change these to 52 degrees Fahrenheit.